Hoffman Estates, how's it going? I am Drew, here to serve you. Today you want to learn a little bit about your water. I'm the guy for that. My passion is making you and your family more healthy and to protect the investment that you have in your home. So let's get right down to it. First and foremost, where does your community get its water? Well, it gets its water from Lake Michigan. Since 1985, approximately around there, your city has been accessing water through the Jardine water plant. And then what they do is they add more chlorine to it and they send it to your house. So we should get to know what's in that water, correct? A lot of our clients in Hoffman Estates, they complain about dry, brittle hair, dry, itchy skin. They see white film on their dishes. They see white film on their shower stalls. So what is that? Well, the water sits in a great big lake, and on the bottom of the lake is what? Yes, you got it, rocks. So the water takes on that characteristic. So the hard rock and the chlorine that the city adds to it brings an environment where the water droplet dries out your skin. As it lands on your skin, you can think the rock is left behind and it clogs the skin's pores. It also builds up on the hair follicles of your hair, so it clogs the pores of your skin. So sometimes people say, "Oh my God, it's caused me to go bald." Well, you know, it is clogging the skin all those follicles, but more importantly, it does dry out the hair. So a good quality water softener does help you with that. A good quality carbon filter takes the chlorine out. So those are a couple things to keep in mind from an aesthetic point of view and how we can protect your shower stall, your dishwasher, your dishes, all those kind of things. We want to be able to get that rock out of the water. A good quality NSF certified 44 listed water softener will do that for you. So that's usually one made in America. They are amazing. You can find a couple different companies that carry them, but you want to be very careful and wary of anything that's made in China unless it's certified. I haven't seen any that really are because they don't really last that long. NSF 44 ensures that it's not only taking out that rock, it is also taking out radium 228 and 226, which gets me into the contaminants that are in your water that I am concerned about when you drink it. Remember, your body and your brain, your body's 75% water, your brain is 95% water. We are made of water. You know, we're basically carbon and water, right? It's the dirt and water. That's basically what we're made of, right? So as you think about that for a second, we want to make sure that we keep as clean of a body as we possibly can. There's an old line in America that goes, buy a filter or be a filter, because what can be in your water can be absorbed into the body. Right now, hexavalent chromium 6 tops your list. That's because there are a lot of steel mills and just factories that their waste gets into Lake Michigan, and hexavalent chromium 6 is a carcinogen, and it is not, I repeat, not reviewed, or there is no limit according to the EPA as of yet. They say the water meets these standards, but they were set in 1972 and I think updated in the early 80s. But the hexavalent chromium 6 came out much after that, and right now there is no standard. So it is incumbent upon you to protect yourself and your family to look out for a system. By the way, that hexavalent chromium 6 is what that movie was, that Erin Brockovich story, that Julia Roberts got her Best Actress Award. Great movie if you haven't seen it, but if you wonder why she's so popular, that is one of the big movies that got her to where she's at. Next in your waters, haloacidic acids, radium 228 and 226, I mentioned that earlier, and of course, trihalomethylenes. So these contaminants, not to mention there's mercury and a bunch of other stuff that gets into the lake. There's hormones, and I mean, just imagine, it's a big hole in the ground, right? The cow manures in Wisconsin, the sewage gets into the water. You know, this is why we add chlorine to the water. In the cities, again, they have water treatment plants, not water filtration plants. That's very important to understand. And most bottlers in the Chicagoland area, they get their water, yes, from Jardine water plant, just like you do. And all they do is run it through carbon and a softener. And we hope that that's making cleaner water. But the reality is they have the same things in the water that you do. So you want to make sure that if you buy bottled water, or if you're going to get a system that they have used in their process NSF 58 listed systems to be able to take out those contaminants. If you have questions, if you need help, call us. We got vans buzzing around Hoffman Estates all the time. We're in the town right next door to you guys in Barrington. We're happy to come by, teach you about water, walk you through what kind of systems that you could use. If you're going to contact another company, great, that's fine. Make sure you get a NSF 58 listed reverse osmosis system. And for the whole house filter, the water softener, you want to make sure you get NSF 44 listed. Those are the two big numbers I want to leave you with today. So good luck to you on your water. Again, we're here to help make your family more healthy. So give us a call anytime, 847-382-7800. You can find us on the web at angelwater.com. You can even jot me a note, email, or you can jot a note down in the YouTube box down below, and we'll be happy to do our best to respond. Now, please, if you like this video, click like, share this with your neighbors. We want to be there. We want to serve you. We want to make everyone in the area more healthy. So that is my passion, here to serve you. Have a wonderful day.